You've probably seen bushels of tomatoes at your local grocery store. They're at the center of an annual tradition that has been passed on from generation to generation and eventually becomes part of a delicious meal at any time of the year. Here to explain is Marisa Mariella from Marisa's Easy Kitchen. Good morning.
Good morning and thank you. Yes, bushels of tomatoes, even at the farmer markets, right? Many of these tomatoes came from the farmers markets and our own gardens, right? I have a few tomatoes from my brother-in-law. So let's get started here. So we can enjoy beautiful tomatoes in the summer. That's the easy part.
Yes.
But it's in the dead of winter that's when we crave that, right? Okay, so I'm going to show you. Obviously these tomatoes have been washed already. So you're going to just take out that little core and quarter it and put it in a pot. What kind of tomatoes? Try to get the really meaty tomatoes. You're doing a great job. It doesn't matter. Go back to your childhood. Remember doing this as a kid?
My mom never gave me the knife. Rule number one.
So you're going to throw that in there. So all your tomatoes, you're going to chop them up. Just take away any of the blemishes. See that? Like that's okay. We're just going to cut around that. Take that off. You don't want any blemishes in tomatoes. So you're going to put that on the stove just as is. Bring it to a nice hard boil. Remove some of the water because we don't like a liquidy sauce. And you're left with this. So you're going to use a little muscle power here. I'm going to move this over. And really, this is the only special equipment that you need. It's this little food mill. And I know that people, you know, gather with their generations, like you said, sometimes like 3 generations of families gather where? Where are they gathering?
In the garage.
In the garage.
Or on the driveway if you have a really big operation.
Oh my gosh, that's lovely. And they have the motorized food mills and so on. Perfect.
So what is this process doing?
So right now you're removing the skin and the seeds, so I'm going to ask you to stop. And you get this, you can just put that in there. You get this puree, you're going to put it in the pot, and you're going to bring this to a boil. This is what's called passata. So you're going to bring it to a nice hard boil, and the easy way of canning is to, while it's still boiling, you're going to scoop it up. Here, I'm going to ask you to do that. Pretend this was like a hard boil. Nice and hot. Look at this jar with this beautiful basil in there. And you're going to fill your jar. Can you smell the basil?
Absolutely. It's overpowering, but it's just so delicious.
So fragrant. Okay, and you're going to stop there. And eventually you're going to get a jar that looks like this. I don't know where my basil leaf is, but it's in there for sure. So this is what you'll use in the dead of winter to make your sauce, right? But let's not forget that tomatoes make a beautiful sauce, quick and easy sauce right now. So that's what you're going to do, okay? So how picky are you with skins and seeds?
Not at all.
Okay.
It's all going in the same place.
That's exactly right. So if you wanted to, you could just core that, chop it up, and you can put it in a pot. What I've done is given that a quick boil just to release the skin. Okay, see how quickly that comes off? So you just dunk it in boiling water just for about a minute, and then the skin comes off. So you're going to chop that up. So this is really like a little sughetto, a little sauce, right? It's not that rich, heavy tomato sauce that many people are familiar with. So in my pan, this is so easy. Like you would put the pasta pot on and then make this sauce because it's so fast. So you chop up your tomatoes in your pan. I have some olive oil and some beautiful fresh garlic. Do you see all those nice tomatoes that are chopped up?
Beautiful.
So that's maybe about a dozen. And do you like green beans? Okay, you just put them right in, raw. Everything is raw. Some salt, oregano, basil, and you put that on. By the time your pasta is cooked, this sauce is ready. Look at it right here. Isn't that gorgeous? And it's fresh tasting.
45 seconds.
All right.
You have a special event that you wanted to get to.
Yes, that's right. So on Thursday night, I am collaborating with Calamus Winery in Jordan and Nardini's and Neni Gelato, and we're putting on a 4-course Southern Italian meal. I'm launching season 6 of Marisa's Easy Kitchen. So people will come in and enjoy a welcome cocktail, butlered hors d'oeuvres, watch the show, and then sit down for a delicious meal. Each recipe is going to be matched with a wine.
That is tremendous. You can get all the details on our website, chch.com/morninglive. The tradition continues, and have a great morning.
Thank you. That's awesome.